I feel so honored to express my views about this wonderful school, Greenwood school system. I really appreciate the co-curricular activities started over here. I am very happy to see every student have participated today, and they are giving an equal chance to show their talent on the stage. It is really the great effort from the teachers. Let me tell you one thing, that I had never heard from my child saying that, Mama, I don't want to go to school. This is really because of the hard work of the teachers. I really appreciate the great efforts of the teachers and the principal over here. I would say that the future of our children is in great hands only because of the principal over here. He is very talented, skilled and experienced person. I wish this school may successful more in future, inshallah. Thank you so much.
Most merciful and the most beneficent. Honorable guests, respected parents, dear teachers, all the faculty members and lovely students. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Today, it's a great honor for me to be here on this podium in front of you all and speak as a proud parent of my kids whom I sent here. And let me say this proudly, that a year back when I decided to change the schools of my kids from that of Air Force institutions and to shift them here in Greenwood school system, I wasn't at mistake at all. And I never regretted my decision even for a second. Thank you very much, the director and the, you may say, the visionary leadership of Greenwood school system. Malik Iqbal Saab, you are the true visionary and the leadership behind this system. Let me say this thing, that without you it would not have been possible, sir. We are extremely indebted to you. And let me say this, whenever we talk about institutions, we have seen this thing, that mostly there are two things that the parents aspire for. Number one, the academic excellence, and number two, the personality grooming. And I am very happy to see both of the things in my kids. So sir, we are very, very happy to have all this, and I would extend my gratitude to all the teachers as well, especially Rabia, Tayyaba, Arisha, and there are some others who have gone. They are not a part, probably they have gone, but still all the teachers, I am extremely thankful to all of you. My kids, they are really very happy. Sir, I wish you people all abounding success in the future. Thank you very much, everyone.
Good morning to everyone. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. इकबाल साहब बेसिकली पर्सनैलिटी वाइज मेरे आइडियल हैं. मुझे शोबे तालीम से वाबस्ता हुई है तकरीबन 6 साल हो गए हैं. अटक शहर में हमें एजुकेशन में लाने वाले इकबाल मलिक साहब हैं. हम एक इदारा कामरा में दी होप साइंस स्कूल एंड कॉलेज के नाम से चला रहे थे. अभी हम सर के बिल्कुल पड़ोस में बैठे हैं अटक शहर में, क्रिसेंट ग्रामर स्कूल एंड कॉलेज के नाम से. मेरा बरखुरदार भी, क्योंकि मैं ज़ाती तौर पर इकबाल साहब से मुतासिर हूँ, और टू बी फेयर इनफ एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट, टू ऑब्जर्व एंड टू लर्न हाउ ही प्रोसेस और हाउ ही इम्प्लीमेंट द थिंग्स, मेरा बरखुरदार भी ग्रेड 2 में उमर इफ्तिखार सर के हवाले मैंने लास्ट ईयर किया है. तो इट वॉज अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस. बेसिकली विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम करिकुलर एकेडमिक्स तो इम्पोर्टेंट हैं ही, जो कोर वैल्यूज़ हैं या जिन्हें सॉफ्ट स्किल्स कहते हैं वो मौजूदा दौर की ज़रूरत हैं. आपने स्टेज पे यहाँ पे बहुत सी परफॉर्मेंस देखी. द वे द कॉन्फिडेंस ऑफ द स्टूडेंट वाज, बेसिकली आप देखें फाउंडेशन 1, प्री नर्सरी, केजी, द स्टूडेंट have come, although I must say it was not short. They talk few sentences, maybe 4 or 5 sentences, but the way, the courage, the confidence, the opportunity the institute is giving them, it basically it will help out in the future. So I wish best of luck to the institute, and we pray that this institute grow with the passage of time. Thank you everyone.
For me to be in front of all of you, being a part of the education community, when I start my teaching experiences, I got a chance to come in close contact with Warsaw when I was teacher of his two sons, that is Hamza Iqbal and Anzara Iqbal. And that was a time that I got a lot about the education, about qualities of a good educator from his charismatic personality, and I learned a lot at that time. And when it's come the time to start the education of my child in the school sector, I got a lot of opinions from my colleagues, from my friends. This institute is doing this institute is doing this will give you this favor and this will give you this favor. But I always rejected them, and I said that my child will get his education only from the Greenwood school system, because I know the Iqbal Sahab, in a way, he not focuses only on the academics, he focuses on the personality development, on the soft skills, and also the thing that was in my mind, that he not only nourishes the young mind with the need of the future world, but also with the Islamic knowledge and of the patriotism. And that was very clearly expressed by the themes that the students have shown in front of us. And this is the very dire need of the present times, as we are moving in the world in a global world with the changing dynamics and the increasing role of social media. We get a lot of information about good as well as bad information about the religion, about the nationalism. And young minds capture I may say the very bad information, or that is not appropriate one, with very absolute, and they always argue about them. Being a teacher, I faces such type of problems with the students. They have very negative thoughts about the different type of religious scholars, about the even armed forces of Pakistan, because they are getting them, and because there is no censorship for them. So the right place for the student to have the academic as well as the religious as well as the soft skills are very necessary. And I appreciate Sir Iqbal and thankful to him and his team that they are doing very well in this field, and I pray for them, and may their institute go well and they will progress by leaps and bounds. Thank you so very much.